Hello and welcome back to Eat Right Diet with Dietitian Shreya. And today is the day when we are going to review a product which is very popular among kids and adults. That is Patanjali Atta Noodles. So now what company claims? Company claims that this is made up of wheat flour and this is better than Maggi. So basically if you flip the product and if you see the ingredients, they've written whole wheat flour, refined wheat flour. Refined wheat flour means maida. So the company is using the maida in the product. So this is not the correct claim that this product is out of the whole wheat flour. And other things like rice bran oil is good, iodized salt is good, minerals, xanthan gum, this is good. Spices, sugar, vegetables, that is vegetable is dehydrated, means this is not fresh. Carrot, cabbage, coriander and maltodextrin, acidity regulator and the emulsifiers. So अगर आप emulsifiers देखेंगे तो they are using 627 and 631. So ये emulsifiers basically कई वेबसाइट्स, कई कंपनी ये भी बोलते हैं कि ये जो इमल्सिफायर्स हैं दे आर नॉन वेजिटेरियन इमल्सिफायर जो पिग से या मीट से बने होते हैं, बट द कंपनी इज क्लेमिंग दैट ऑल इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर ऑफ वेजिटेरियन ओरिजिन. सो इफ दे आर यूजिंग दीज इमल्सिफायर्स as a source from tapioca starch, then this is vegetarian. But if these emulsifiers are from the non-vegetarian source, from the pig or from the meat, then the product is not vegetarian. So no arguments because the company has written vegetarian origin. Now company claims why this is better than Maggi. So Maggi में आपने controversy देखा है MSG का. So monosodium glutamate. So monosodium glutamate basically अगर या lead या monosodium glutamate अगर आप किसी prescribed amount से अगर ज़्यादा डालेंगे, so वो आपके health के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. बहुत सारी आपको बीमारियां हो सकती हैं, बहुत सारी diseases वो आपको दे सकते हैं. So this product doesn't have any kind of MSG. Who should not take it? अब हमने बात किया इनके इंग्रेडिएंट्स के बारे में, अब हम बात करेंगे who should not have it. So the person who is suffering from the celiac disorder, gluten sensitivity or lactose intolerance or have the sensitivity from the soy product, those person cannot have this product. क्योंकि एक ये आपका मैदा से या आटा से बना हुआ है तो डेफिनेटली आप अगर सीलिएक हैं तो आप नहीं ले सकते. अगर आपको फ्लैचुलेंस एसिडिटी है तो आप वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं ले सकते हैं. उसके अलावा क्योंकि इसमें ट्रेस मिनरल्स हैं मिल्क के, तो लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट पेशेंट्स भी ये प्रोडक्ट अवॉइड करें. So after all this conversation, the point is what we should have if we want to have Maggi or if we want to have noodle, what we should have, if not these products definitely. So then you can have a rice noodle. मार्केट में, इंडियन मार्केट में थाई राइस नूडल्स आते हैं. सो राइस नूडल इज बेसिकली ग्लूटेन फ्री, लैक्टोज फ्री एंड राइस नूडल इज बेसिकली मच better nutrition wise. So that can be a substitute for the Patanjali Atta noodle or Maggi. So rice noodle, yes, that is better, of course. So here comes the final time, dietometer rating. इस प्रोडक्ट को पतंजलि आटा नूडल को हम लोग रेट करेंगे 5 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want any review on any of the product, please let me know by commenting down below. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share maximum to spread the awareness. मेरा एक slogan है healthy हैं हम. Let's work together and just make the nation healthy.